My name is Andrew. Today's standalone authors would like to address the topic of editing. For most authors, we all dread some of the final stages of the writing process, and one of the most important and frustrating is editing our own work. Everyone from fans, new readers, reviewers, critiques, and more will pick your story apart with no fear if there are any editing flaws beyond forgiveness. Not only can the errors be distracting to everyone from the most relaxed reader to the renowned grammar Nazi, it can bring about bad word of mouth. This is an author's worst nightmare. It can sully the author's name, ruin the reputation of the book, and even bring the author's paychecks to a screeching halt. When authors depend so much on incoming revenues to pay for editing, marketing, cover art, and web pages for future works, the last thing they want to do is jeopardize book sales because of a silly yet very fatal flaw. There are numerous editors out there, ranging from novice to well-known, from expensive to cheap. And just because most of them out there are extremely skilled, be sure they are skilled in the process of editing that you require. Ask yourself, do you need a developmental editor, a copy editor, an acquisitions editor, a project editor, or a production editor? Whichever one you need, you might be asking, what are some tips we can help with in your editing? The most important question is, what's your budget? There are a good number of us that look to our wallet and weep when we think about shelling out money for anything, not just our books. But as the saying goes, you have to spend money to make money. Just be sure you have a plan on how you are going to get what you need. Okay, so an important avenue to consider is crowdsource editing and/or workshopping. To have reliable friends and family, perhaps even faithful fans, or fellow trustworthy authors help you out. Proofreading your work and correcting minor mistakes can lessen the price of the editing at times. If your work is overridden with flaws, the editor might charge more because it will take them longer to finish the work you have given them. Another important thing you should do is research. Let me rephrase that. You should do serious research. Make sure that the editor you choose is credible and reliable, that the price you are willing to pay is worth it in the end. Finally, remember there are other avenues you can take to get the editing your book needs. Many authors have turned to funding communities, such as a Kickstarter, to aid them in getting the amount needed to put their book on the market. Just be sure that no matter the choices that you make in the editing process, plan out your complete strategy, save your money, and do your research on who you will use before handing over any cash. From Standalone Authors, we all wish you a very best of luck and happy writing.